What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're here with Tim. This is Tim. You haven't met Tim.
Nice to meet you.
He's Tim.
There's the plug.
Anthony's back, and here's the problem. Look at Anthony's boots. Those are snowboarding boots. What are these? They're ski boots. Oh, I'm skiing today, or at least for a little. We're trying it out. This is like a freaking nightmare, but skier.
Welcome to the dark side.
Skier and snowboarder switch. Snowboarder tries skiing for a day. All right, we're gonna go over to the extreme training facility, which we talked about in a few videos ago. It's gonna be sick. All right, let's go. All right, boys, first time strapping into skis. I've seen other people do it.
So, that's the left ski.
Yeah. It says left ski over there.
Yeah. And you're in. I feel like I'm sitting. What? I feel like I'm sitting.
Am I in?
Oh, sitting.
Am I in?
Did it click? Yeah, your brakes are up, right? Yeah, you're in.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right. Friggin' pizza?
If you want.
Pizza? French fries.
Yeah.
Bro, what? Are you kidding me? Is this a joke right now? Tim, you ready? Little pizza action right here. Oh. All right, so we've learned how to pizza so far. Ant's on the ground. He's doing pretty good at snowboarding so far. I'm sending it down this hill now. We're gonna see how it goes. We got Tim down there. Tim! All right, here we go. Here we go.
Ride it out.
I'll take that. Bro, we have made it onto the magic carpet, boys. Let's go. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, this feels so weird. Everything about it. Let's go. All right, that wasn't bad. All right, guys. We've graduated to the bunny hill.
Yeah, here we go.
Let's go.
The big leagues.
The big leagues. We're absolutely nuts. I sent a backflip on the training facility. It just the camera wasn't recording.
It was a double, but who's counting?
Who's counting?
You can hear the magic carpet.
This is pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Being on a lift is kind of strange. It's like I'm just sitting here. It's a lot more comfortable, not gonna lie.
Definitely.
Gotta get off the lift, but I just go straight, so I think I can manage that. But anyway.
Just don't go right, because that's where we're going.
Yeah, we're just gonna, I'm just going for some pizzas down this. Just a little slice, maybe some pepperoni.
A little bit of fries.
A little bit of fries too. I'm gonna do some French fries, get some speed, try and turn. We'll see. I'm having fun though. You having fun?
Yeah,
we're having fun.
All the time.
Great. That's not sarcastic. But let's hit the bunny hill. Let's go, boys. Let's do some skiing. Did we? Oh, I was just gonna say, did we all do it?
That was his head on the metal.
Oh God! Oh God! It's a little icy, huh? Dude, let's go! My bad. No. Dude, what? Dude, it's
like regular edge to front edge.
Yeah, see, that's
what I was doing in the beginning. I leaned too far forward on the front edge,
like,
and I felt my board kind of pop, and I just over-rotated and fell on my face.
I feel like I did a pretty good job, yeah. No, you did. Towards the bottom. The top was sketchy. It's a little icy on the bunny hill today, so I'm learning how to ski in the perfect conditions. They're learning how to snowboard in the perfect conditions because we live on the ice coast, baby. Yeah, this is fun. I'm having fun.
I'm having fun.
If you snowboarded before, you snowboarded your whole life, you skied your whole life, definitely swap someday.
Try the other. You get a
It's
different
so
take.
fun.
You get a different take. This feels sick. Like my knees are on fire and so bruised, but like I'm having a blast. It's like relearning skiing.
My right hip is done. I've fallen on it so many times.
Right hip, 2 knees, and left cheek.
We're getting old. We're gonna try and hit this bunny hill. Have fun watching. Peace. Sorry. This side's much better. Where are we at, boys?
We are on the north gondola right now, heading up for our first real run.
We're heading up to the top.
Really?
We're no longer Jerry's, okay?
We're still, no, I think
I believe I still classify.
Oh, yeah, I also think I classify
I
as
left my
Jerry.
Jerry card on my other
You know what's really funny? It's just like looking at all the people fly past me, and I'm like, wow, that's what it's like, huh?
They must be having fun.
Yeah. So we got a couple runs on the bunny slope. I think the last run was the best for all of us. Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. So we feel confident enough to hit Vernon Peak. We're heading up to North Peak. It's gonna be sick. We're riding down this trail. I hope I don't die. Let's freaking go, boys. You. All right, we're on top of North. We're about to send it. Sun just came out for us, and now it's kind of going away, but we're here. It's gonna be sick. Hey, how you feeling?
Ready to shred.
All right. Oh! Oh God! Oh! Oh! Stop it! I'm freaking skiing, dude. I am skiing. No! No! Ow! Oh, that hurt my ass so bad. Damn it! No! No! Hey! Oh! Dude, you see that stop? Ah! Oh, what a save! Woo! Let's go! Oh, nice. Yo, what's up? Power stands up. Oh, a little turn up here. Let's go! Got it. Come in. Yeah. You okay? Here I go. Dropping in. Dropping in. Get beat up. Hey! Alright, so that was it. That was Snowboarder swapped skis for a day. And skier swapped snowboard for a day. He also did it. Right? You did good. But we did it. It was sick. It was a good day. We made it down North Peak a few times.
My ass hurts.
His ass hurts. My knee hurts. But we're good. We're chilling. It was honestly really fun. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. And say peace.
Peace.